Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix login and app issues on Chase when your app is not working? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Well, I'm going to let you know a couple of general app troubleshooting tips. So first things first, let's talk about the internet. Switch between the Wi-Fi and cellular. So as you can see, I'm connected on a Wi-Fi. It could also be your internet issue. So you can simply go ahead and turn on airplane mode and turn that off in order to go ahead and reset your Wi-Fi settings right over here. And that could go ahead and fix your problem. Also ensure that your phone's OS and the Chase app are the latest version. In order to go ahead and do that, you'll just need to head into settings and then simply go ahead into your name right over here and then try to look for an update right over here on iCloud. And on when it comes to the application, simply go ahead and open your app store and then search for Chase just like that. And if there is an update, then it's going to go ahead and show you that there is an update and you can update it. Uh, the other thing you can go ahead and do is uninstall and reinstall the application totally. And that could also go ahead and fix your problem. If you are already opening the application, but you're having login issues, then you might need to verify your credentials. So maybe manually retype your username and password. Don't rely on the autofill. Also, try to go ahead and reset your password by clicking on forgot username or password if you completely forgot it, and so on. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.